Wi-Fi on United Airlines. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wi-Fi service on United Airlines flights. So let's get started. In order to get that, you need to buy the Wi-Fi. So how can you do that? For that, you have to go to the Google web browser and then search for United Wi-Fi. And then from the result section, I will go to this website. After reaching this website that says united.com, you have to search for United Wi-Fi page. Here you have to select the Wi-Fi you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy a Wi-Fi pass or you want to buy Wi-Fi subscription. So you just have to select one according to your plan. Then you have to click on buy this. Now after clicking on buy now, you will have to add the information. Now after adding all the information, you have to pay some extra money for your Wi-Fi. So that's all. That's how you will be able to have Wi-Fi on United Airlines flights. Thanks for watching.